Imagine a world where we can manufacture chemical products in a way that does not have a direct negative environmental impact. Chemicals are part of our daily lives, with applications in an endless number of sectors, ranging from health, cosmetics, food, to farming and agriculture. However, the chemical industry strongly depends on the use of fossil fuels, being the third largest source of greenhouse gas emissions in Europe. Responding to the need for a more sustainable and green chemical industry, the SunCoChem project is developing a novel, self-sufficient device for the production of high-value chemicals without using raw materials derived from carbon or oil. Based on a circular economy approach, SunCoChem's technology imitates the natural process of photosynthesis and uses water, solar energy and waste CO2 for the production of value-added chemicals. A breakthrough innovation solving current challenges in materials synthesis and energy conversion efficiency, among others. SunCoChem's mission is to foster the transition towards a zero-pollution chemical manufacturing industry with a technology that facilitates a reduction of production costs, decreases CO2 emissions, and ultimately contributes to preserving our environment. To find out more about the SunCoChem project, visit our website www.suncochem.eu or follow us on social media.